Local service searches drive over 40 billion queries per month on Google alone. Plumbers, electricians, HVAC, roofers. Every one of those searches is a potential lead worth $20 to $80. Directory sites quietly own this traffic. Today I'll show you how to build 100 of them on autopilot. Here's what nobody tells you about directory sites. They are not trying to be a service business. They are harvesting intent and selling the clicks. A single well-ranked directory for plumbers in one mid-sized city can generate 500 to 2,000 qualified leads per month. At $30 pay per lead economics, that is 15,000 to 60,000 per month from one site. And the kicker, the data is all publicly available. Most directory owners still hire virtual assistants to update listings by hand. We automate the whole thing with LangChain agents. RAGFlow becomes the brain. Notion becomes the content hub. Here is the exact stack. LangChain multi-agent system handles orchestration. Firecrawl and SerpAPI collect raw local business data. RAGFlow deduplicates, enriches, and stores the knowledge base. Notion hosts the public-facing directory. N8N schedules the whole pipeline to refresh daily. Everything is open source. Everything runs on one server. Here's how the agent swarm actually works. Start with a planner agent. It takes a city plus service combo like Austin Plumbers and breaks it into subtasks. A scraper agent calls SerpAPI to pull the Google local map pack. A second scraper agent hits Yelp and the Better Business Bureau for review data. A cleaner agent normalizes phone numbers, addresses, and business hours. An enricher agent calls the business websites with Firecrawl and extracts services, pricing, and certifications. A deduper agent uses RAGFlow vector search to find listings that already exist. Finally, a publisher agent pushes clean records into your Notion hub. RAGFlow is the piece that makes this scale. It parses every business web page, chunks it, embeds it, and indexes it with hybrid BM25 plus vector search. When your enricher agent asks, does Austin Plumbing Pros offer emergency service? RAGFlow returns the exact chunk with the answer, cited. RAGFlow version 0.24 added a memory API, so your agent remembers every dedupe decision and never re-scrapes the same listing. The knowledge base becomes self-healing. New businesses appear. Closed ones get flagged. Your directory stays fresher than any human could maintain. Now the monetization. Path 1. Pay-per-lead arbitrage. You partner with local plumbers, charge $30 per qualified call, and route leads through your directory listings. 500 leads monthly equals 15,000. Path 2. Display ads. A ranked directory site pulls $8 to $12 CPMs on local finance and home services verticals. Path 3. Premium listings. Charge businesses $99 per month for a featured spot on their category page. 3 categories, 10 premium spots, $3,000 per month recurring. Path 4. The agency upsell. Once you own the directory, you own the attention. Offer full-service local SEO and ads to the top listings for a monthly retainer. Here is the execution checklist. 1. Spin up RAGFlow with Docker. 2. Deploy a LangChain multi-agent system using the sub-agent pattern from the docs. 3. Wire Firecrawl and SerpAPI as agent tools. 4. Create your Notion Hub database with city, service, business, and tier fields. 5. Schedule the full pipeline and N8N to refresh every 24 hours. 6. Launch your first niche, then duplicate for the next one. The full build guide with the LangChain code, Notion template, and the exact agent prompts is linked below. Subscribe if you want the next episode where I turn this into a 1,000-page programmatic SEO site. Directory sites have been quietly printing money for a decade. Now your agents will do the printing.